So for this activity, I want you to play with composition. So we've already looked at composition twice, right? And now I want you to try experimenting with different composition techniques from what we saw. So first thing, once you get to this slide, okay, make a copy of this slide. So make a copy. Doesn't matter which one, there's only one slide, right? We can call it composition practice, digital art, whatever. It doesn't matter. You can leave it the same name if you want. I can't because it's in my folder and it will replace itself. Press OK. It will do its thing. Alright, now once it's ready, what I want you to do is I want you to duplicate this slide 5 times. So duplicate, duplicate. You know what? We'll do 4 times. 4, because 8's easier to divide by 4 than 5. So 4 copies, right? Now for each one, I want you to choose a compositional technique. So maybe like rule of thirds, or it could be fill the frame, or framing, or lots of different ones, right? And now I want you to play with the different elements here. You don't have to use all of them, right? So maybe I don't want this guy, or that, right? Or that, right? Actually, I can delete them too because I have them on the other one still. So maybe I want this. I'll make it bigger, right? Maybe I want it to be up a little bit more. Now I don't want it to cover that title, so what I can do is I can double click and then I can grab the black line and move it down. So I can still see the one that I chose there. There we go. Right? He can keep a dog. And then maybe we have this here, and let's maybe make him a little bit bigger, right? Something like that. Maybe a little bit smaller. He seems like a giant, right? So, kind of playing with this idea and trying to put him like where would that third line be? Somewhere over there, or maybe. Well, I don't want him in front of the bike because it'll look weird. But how would I arrange this to be rule of thirds, right? So arranging these in a way that meets that compositional technique, right? So I think that looks pretty much rule of thirds-ish, maybe a little bit over more, right? So something sort of like that. Or maybe I just choose the dog, right? So it's up to you which things you want to choose. But 5 different techniques from the videos, 4 different techniques from the videos across the 4 different slides, and arrange the things, delete the things you don't want, but arrange the things to create those different techniques. So that's your task for this.